Hey Simply Bakers, today I'm sharing with you this easy and delicious muffin recipe. I am making it with 3 different flavors: chocolate, blueberry, and cranberries. Let's begin! So in a large bowl, you're going to add all the dry ingredients. So I added the all-purpose flour, organic cane sugar. Now if you don't want to use organic cane sugar, you can use any kind of sugar you would like. And then I added salt and baking soda. Then you're going to take your whisk and you're going to mix it until it's well combined. Then make a well in the center to add the wet ingredients, which is the oil and your choice of dairy-free milk. I used almond milk. I used almond milk at one time, and then another time I used almond creamer or dairy-free creamer. Both tasted the same. Well, not really. One was sweeter than the other. Something to note is do not overmix the batter. It's super important. So I decided to split the batter into 3 to make 3 different flavor muffins. You don't need to do this. If you want, you can just keep it to a 1 flavor muffin. But I like to eat different flavors. So I split it into 3 and made cranberry muffins, blueberry muffins, and chocolate chip muffins. And the complete recipe is at my blog, simplybakings.com. So you can head over there right now if you'd like and grab the recipe. So when adding the flavors, don't overmix it, just mix it enough that it is incorporated. And thank you for these people who voted to bake muffins. Woohoo! So once you are done, all you're going to do next is just add the batter into the muffin tins, and I used my cookie scooper because I found that these were the perfect size. And then you're going to bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes. You need to keep an eye, especially if you're making mini ones, which I did, because they're bite-sized and I love mini muffins. And here it is. And you could see all the blueberries. Oh, I love it when blueberries do that. And you'll see a missing piece because I decided to eat one and I realized I didn't videotape it until after I ate it. So here it is, you guys. You can make this with streusels on top and that also tastes good. Here's how it looks like inside. It is so good. I think you can actually freeze these. I haven't tried them yet. I'll let you know if I do. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these quick and easy recipes that I'm sharing with you. And I will see you on my next upload. Bye guys!